Hi everyone, bună tuturor and welcome back to my channel. In this video you are going to learn more Romanian vocabulary and we are going to focus on public places. As always, please ensure that you repeat after me and hai să începem! City Hall, primărie, primărie, primărie. Primărie. The next one, post office, poștă, poștă. Then we've got library, bibliotecă, bibliotecă. Please make sure that you do not confuse it with librărie. So librărie is bookstore. Okay? So bookstore, librărie. Librărie. Once again, library, bibliotecă, bookstore, librărie. Okay? False friends. Theater, teatru. Teatru. And we've got courthouse, tribunal, tribunal, tribunal. Another word, bank, you might know it already, quite similar to English, bancă, bancă, bancă. Embassy, ambasadă, ambasadă, ambasadă. Moving on, consulate, consulat, consulat, consulat. Police station, poliție, poliție, or stație de poliție. Fire station, pompieri, pompieri, or stație de pompieri. Hospital, spital, spital. Clinic, clinică, clinică. Private clinic, clinică privată, clinică privată. If it's a public clinic, it's clinică publică, clinică publică, or simply clinică. Pharmacy, farmacie, farmacie, farmacie. School, școală, școală, școală. And kindergarten, grădiniță, 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 grădiniță. Let's move on. High school, liceu, liceu. And university, universitate, universitate. Airport, aeroport, aeroport. Port, port, port. Train station, gară, gară. And the coach station, autogară. Okay? Autogară. So the train station is gară and the coach station, autogară. And then the bus station, stație, stație. O stație de autobuz, or simply stație. Church, biserică. 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 And the cathedral, catedrală. Catedrală. Cemetery, cimitir. Cimitir. Stadium, stadion. 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 And zoo, grădină zoologică. Grădină zoologică. Grădină zoologică. And the botanical garden is grădină botanică. Botanică. Grădină botanică. So the garden, grădină. Grădină botanică. So botanical garden, grădină botanică. Then park, park. Very, very easy. Park. Forest, pădure. 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 And the mountain, munte. Munte. And the lake, lac. 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 Let's move on. River, râu. Râu. So please note the pronunciation. Râu. Râu. Then sea, mare. Mare. The beach, plajă. Plajă. An island, insulă. Insulă. And a shop, magazin. Magazin. Then a supermarket, easy, supermarket. Supermarket. And we've got the shopping center. You can either call it centru comercial, centru comercial, or mall. Centru comercial or mall. In the market, piață. Piață. Or târg. Târg. Restaurant, restaurant. Restaurant. Bar, bar. Bar. This is easy. And the flower shop, it's florărie. 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 And the pastry shop, patiserie. Patiserie. The bakery, brutărie. 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 The butcher shop, măcelărie. 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 The barber shop, frizerie. 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 And the last one, the hair salon, coafor. Coafor. Right, very well done. Thank you very much for watching this video. You've learned lots of words, so please ensure that you watch it once again and try to think about the places and say them out loud. Okay? Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Mulțumesc frumos! Pa, pa!